Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Parkside 4V cordless secateurs, the model PGSA 14A1 with battery without USB power adapter. Cutting capacity max 14mm, max number of cuts per battery charge 500, no load runtime 25 minutes. Accessories included, Leon technology with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, I'm going to find out all about this product. We have the cable included, 1.5 meters, type A to type C, and one key. There's the tool, blade guard, ergonomic handle with soft grip, I like that. We have a replaceable bypass blade here, you can unscrew with this key and replace the blade. Here it is the on-off switch, the active LED indicator and the battery LED indicators. Red, orange and green is fully charged. Type-C port. Connect the cable and you can charge it from a power bank, 5V 2A power adapter. It is fully charged. The trigger, it is the cutting button and the safety button here, soft grip, and of course it doesn't work, you need to press this button to turn on, and again it doesn't work with the trigger, you need to press the safety button and then the trigger. You can use it for cutting suits up to 15mm thick, for easily maintaining roses, brushes and other garden greenery. It is a very useful tool. Sharp cuts encourage the plant to grow. It has a high quality durable gearbox for a long working life, and it is very convenient because it works with battery. It is portable. I like it. It fits very well at my hand. You can use it only with one hand. Press the safety and then the trigger. So let's test it. I think this is the maximum length, but it can do the job. If you are looking to make your gardening chores a bit easier, this handy tool could be just what you need. The Parkside 4V cordless secateurs offer a powerful cutting mechanism that takes the strain out of pruning. With just the squeeze of the trigger, these secateurs handle branches and stumps up to 14mm effortlessly, making your gardening tasks quicker and easier. Its cordless design gives you the freedom to move around your garden without being tied down by cables. Wow, it is very easy to do that. I just love it. The 4V battery delivers reliable power, 4000 mAh capacity, ensuring you can tackle a variety of tasks on a single charge. Designed with user comfort in mind, these secateurs are lightweight and ergonomically shaped, making them easy to handle and reducing fatigue during extended use. Whether you are trimming hedges or tidying up your plants, they make the job more comfortable. Safety is a priority with the built-in safety switch prevents accidental activation, ensuring that you can work confidently and securely. The blades are made from high-quality materials and are easy to clean, keeping your secateurs in top condition for longer. Offering excellent value for money, these cordless secateurs are a practical choice for gardeners for all levels. whether you are seasoned pro or just getting started. They make great addition to your gardening toolkit. If you're after a tool that can help you breeze throughout the gardening task with ease, this tool definitely worth considering. They combine power, convenience, and user-friendly design into a package that's perfect for keeping your garden looking its best. I hope you found this review helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more gardening tool reviews and tips. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.